What's going on? Good morning, good morning. Paul, Tony, Donald, Solus. How we doing? It's giveaway Friday. Oh boy. Pal talks at 10 o'clock today. Just FYI. Josh, how we doing? Good morning. Get marbles going nice and early this morning. Everything should be up and working, which would be a first for me. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. There's only 4 of you here, but we'll get it started. Oh man, I didn't sleep very well last night, but here we are. Cheerio. Excuse me. Ugh. Ugh. Do any of you know who Max Options Traders is? Otherwise known as like MOT. Ooh-wee. What's going on? Cody! I was just talking about you. I was literally just talking about you like all this week. Talking about how I miss you and it's been a while. See, I just had to talk it into the universe. How you been, man? Is that Big Daddy Max? If so, he's all over Instagram. Yep, that's him. So, where does he go live? Does he go live on Instagram? Man, look, again, another 9:30 just absolute dump. And I'm kind of scared of it today. I'll wait for 200 here.
Order filled.
This is dumb. All right, well, I'm just going to take
order filled
because I'm scared of it. I probably could have went for a retest up here at 30s, but
pussy.
Hey, yes. We're so close to 200 there. I would gladly, or not gladly, I would not be surprised if it tried to get through it right away. But we did almost get the full retest there up at 30. So a little sad there. What did we take that at? 60. Yeah, missed out on like 300 bucks there. But it's okay. I'm gonna play scared at the open. Yeah, look, there's the full retest. What a nice candle though. Only if we could get those types of candles during the day, right? That's the dream. Shark Killer, what's going on? I think he's only in Discord, but I could be wrong. I don't know. I was looking for him. Let me go see. Oh, maybe it is. Okay. Let me join in here real quick. That's a little louder.
it again.
You know we got Powell
I
talking
mean,
today and then Trump.
what? Really?
We have Powell at 10 a.m. and then we have Trump.
So loud. Let me lower them down.
Sheesh. Guys, make sure you lock in with code BDM. We have some crazy deals, some of them ending today, like the 25% sale on Alpha Futures. Make sure you guys don't fuck around. You lock in these sales while the sales are hot.
I don't know why it sounds like
Tradeify, Alpha Futures, all the fucking partners we have, they're all badass, baby. It's a nice pop back up.
Yeah, I think you were right though.
It
It does appear to be
It's a nice fucking bounce. We are in an aggressive
in Discord.
uptrend
For some
on
reason I
SPX.
thought they were on YouTube,
Very
but
aggressive.
Yeah,
A lot of
yeah,
relative
SPX
strength.
is crazy. This is at 45. I would take this, but I don't really like it that much.
dang, wish I would have kept that on, huh? Would have been nice. That would have been a $300-400 winner real quick. Took my Tesla from Indiana to Florida. Was the best trip. Love that thing. Yes, sir. Did you have the full self-driving?
Not that bad.
Doesn't look terrible.
Just tricky.
Nice
Today's a
uptrend.
tricky ass day, bro. Powell talking and Trump same day. Fuck me.
It's nasty work. Ooh. Ooh, I like the short potential here. If NQ breaks below 26 and SPX.
It's interesting he
comes down,
does
I like the
everything
short
inside
potential here
Discord.
a lot.
It's kind of smart though, I guess. Well, not smart,
See
but
what
I'm surprised he
SPX
doesn't. I
does.
mean, he does
SPX
just like.
Yeah, really
I guess
like
he
the
pulls
short here.
everything
If
from the
SPX
Discord. I
can
don't know.
break below like 89. That'd be a very nice short potential.
What, Cody? Don't tell the masses that. Don't tell the masses that.
Let's see what happens. Let's see what we can get going.
Q breaks right back over midline.
Oh,
Yep.
no,
There's
yeah,
fucking-
nothing. No validation on the
Midnight
short
tap
there.
on ES.
No
$50
validation on the short there at all.
Should be kind of good.
Yeah, I'll turn. Oh, I'll leave him on for a little bit.
Area, bro. I mean,
At least until we
Daddy
start doing the
Max.
giveaways.
Big Daddy Max.
They talk like the whole time, so it's impossible to really.
Daddy
I don't want to
Max.
like talk in between them.
Guys, listen, here's the deal, guys. Chat, listen, here's the deal. I'm gonna hit a banger today. All right, I'm gonna hit a banger for you guys today. We are 100 people away from 50,000 in the Discord. We are only 100 people away from 50,000. If you guys make that happen during the show, if we get to 50,000,
I'll give away
100 more
350
people.
myself. Off rip.
We're gonna give away like fucking. I'll give away like 5,000 worth of accounts. I'm gonna go fucking ham. I'm gonna give away TPT resets. I'm gonna give away TPT 25, 75, 50s, 150s. I'm gonna give away fucking everything. I'm gonna give away every account I can give away because 50,000 is a huge milestone for us in the Discord, and we're gonna get to work. We're gonna get the motherfucking work. That's the motherfucking deal.
Yo, weird. Like, this is ugly.
Dude, the chat, their chat is going absolutely
What's
nuts.
ugly
It's
to him?
crazy. I don't know how they pay attention to that.
Just the market. This is, bro, there's gonna be, bro. I almost said it. Powell speaks at 10, bruh. Like, we're gonna catch, like...
Tradeify has 40% off right
Kinda
now.
gross.
One use
From
per
9:30 to
customer.
10.
He's definitely
And
gonna
then
be
Just
right there.
FYI.
His nice little good
So if you've been
morning
waiting on a
video
Tradeify account,
notifications.
40%, that's like one of their
Oof.
best deals. Any account.
That he's gonna be like, good morning. Quarter-point candle.
What's he gonna say? He's gonna say, "Good morning, fuck."
Good morning, fun.
Good morning, fuck. Bro, wouldn't that be the craziest thing to ever happen? Wouldn't that be actually be the craziest fucking thing that ever happened?
So keep in mind, 10 o'clock, Pal is speaking, so be safe there. We don't want any getting trapped.
I'm gonna keep it being with y'all. Like, I really like the longs more than the sells.
So do I.
We are coming back up here.
So do I. But you gotta be patient, baby.
Looking at the daily, I was kind of expecting us to go test this 22,800 level, but so far we
Like,
can't get through
yo,
that
what do you think
23K.
Trump's gonna say?
He's gonna say, "Pal's an idiot."
Interest rates haven't been dropped yet. Need to fire him. White guy named Jerome. Can't trust him.
Can't trust him. He's an idiot. One of the worst. One of the worst idiots of all time.
Oh, it's going.
And check this out, straight to the
Oh,
highs.
Good. It looks really
Right,
good.
there's the
It looks
river.
really fucking good, bro.
Yeah.
It looks really fucking good.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
My initial thought at the beginning of the day was I love that first candle. Ever since that first
Yep.
candle got eaten up.
Going here. That's official breakout of the 5 there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I mean, we're uptrending. There's no doubt about it. SPX is uptrending. NQ is uptrending. There's no doubt about it. We're bullish. There's no doubt about it. We're bullish. You can hold the long. You can hold the long until the long's not good. I mean, you can literally hold the long until the long's not good.
I think
It's just
long
one.
is good until at least like
It's just one of them days.
It's all about the he said, she said.
It's just one of them days.
What's the freebies? Today we're giving away
It's all about the he said, she said bullshit. You remember that?
the 50K
Make
Tradeify
sure you lock
Lightning
in with
funded
Take
account.
Profit Trader today because we might drop a fuck ton of TPT accounts on y'all. Make sure you lock in with Take Profit Trader. 40% off, no activation fee. Lock in.
Yeah, Take Profit Trader's been pretty good with that lately. With they're doing 40% off and the no activation fee. It's been pretty sweet. I actually was contemplating on grabbing another account, but oh yeah, speaking of which, I did, as you can see, lose one of my accounts last night. If you guys are in the Discord, you'll see I post that stuff every day. But the account that we took 2 payouts from, since we only had like $1,000 in drawdown, I ended up getting caught in a trade in the afternoon yesterday. And we did lose it, so a little frustrating, but here we are.
Like that. Why you got him riding on a?
Shit get. Did I fix the mic? Nah, I went to my boy's crib and I picked up his mic, and then I ordered a new one last night. Look, pulled up already.
Yeesh, nice, bro. Why didn't you hook it up?
Because I already had. It just got here. Like I remember, I've been live since like 40 minutes ago, and it literally
Like
pulled up while I
yesterday.
was live. No, it just came in today. I ordered it last night. So
Right
what I'm
back to
gonna
the
do is
highs.
I'm gonna throw in the broken one in here and then return this. Right.
Nice, bro.
Right. This sounds good though. This one sounds good.
Yeah, you sound fine right now. I think right now we have both the mics working, and we're just gonna have to. We're just gonna
Kind
have
of
to
chilling in
fucking
here now. We're just gonna go
wait.
straight back down.
Now to do what we do.
Shipping USA is
No.
fast. Edit that out. Edit what out? Modern day scamming. What did you say?
SM7, buddy. It's not a SM7. It's a SM7DB.
Wait, what did you say? That they're all like you're
All
scamming.
right, there
and
we
you
go.
edit
Back to
that
the
out.
highs.
And I'm gonna throw the broken one in the box and return it.
Fire,
I've never
fire.
done that
Let's.
before, so I think I deserve to do it one time at least.
I agree.
Especially when the mic is almost $600. Like, gotta just.
I agree 100%, Llama.
There it goes. Trying to get up to 300.
Bro, we're ripping, twin. Fuck, bro. I'm telling you, that 45 was the area sitting here. Once it broke over, I was a super.
We get a big push up towards like 330 or something. I'm jumping in this.
Look at ES. Look how aggressive ES looks. Yucky.
Be looking for the 300 retest.
Oh, hold on.
And imagine I held that from down here.
88? Really?
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Oh, I need the long to hit like 2 more points, and I'm gonna take profit. And I have a little eval. I've been just side hustling. When I'm done trading my one and done, I move to a little take profit trader eval, and it's about to tick. So I'm about to hit another Pro Plus account. About to hit me another little Pro Plusy. About to hit a little Pro Plusy. Just took the long when Max said the long was looking good and made fucking 17, 24, 22 bands. No big deal.
Go for it. Go
No
for
big
it.
deal.
Go for it.
2 bandos. No big deal. Congratulations.
I'm gonna be a little
No
more
big
patient
deal.
here. We're still, believe it or not, pretty far away from these
Sit on it.
bands, so
Just gonna sit on it, baby.
I don't want to start this too early. Get
Sit on it,
absolutely smashed.
baby.
You're gonna do what?
I'm gonna sit on it, baby.
You're gonna sit on it?
Sit on it. Wait. Oh, god damn it.
Right.
Yeah, didn't even realize it. Just a little burst of autism and fucking 4,400 on the pro account. Oh, after blowing my pro account. Nice. You got it, Lux. Fucking sick, dude. Nice.
Good work. Good shit, my boy.
Man, the longest. There it is. Tap it. All right. Hold on. Let me log off of this account.
We get marbles
We are
kind of
pending.
moving
Let's
here.
go. Let me send my little message in to TPT. Nothing is better, guys. When you see this right here, pending Pro Plus, pending cash account. That means that's an ATM machine for Big Daddy Max. How's Lululemon doing? No, am I getting clapped? Oh, it's up to 200. Oh, it's up to 200. Oh, we're ripping. Oh, the YOLO account all-time high. As you know the vibes.
What is that, 11?
The YOLO, we're at 11.5.
I know Cody didn't enter, but I'm gonna put him in there.
Hey, Big Daddy. Still got it, Llama. Still got it, Llama. What broker provides order flow
Dylan.
and footprint charts?
What's up, Karen? Good morning.
It doesn't matter because you're not going to be profitable anyway, dumbass, using order flow and footprint charts on a fucking broker.
What? 39.
This guy said, bro, my girl grabbed some new Lulus and Max, that tech, what'd he say?
Tech, bro.
And Max,
The tech.
Max, right, that tech, no joke.
Bro, the tech, I tell you guys, listen.
How do I mute
Everyone has a friend here, a female, who got no
their
ass. She got a
whole-
little flat ass. It's okay.
Doesn't work.
There's nothing wrong with that. Big Daddy Max likes a nice little tight ass. But you throw some Lululemons on these women, and all of a sudden, they got a little bump back there.
mute that for now? I thought oh, you know what? I could just mute Discord that way.
I only got
So many
200, but I've
times.
seen the tech in that ass, and I feel like that's absolutely worth $50 more per share, Llama. $50 more per share.
Man, look at this go. Still looking for the bigger push though.
I cannot fit in Lulu. If I could wear Lulu,
All right, there we go. Now we have 39. All right, let's see what happens here. I'd be looking for up through 350 now. Getting closer and closer with him. 15 minutes. The thing reset. It's not letting me open the... Oh, I see. I hit open, not play. It broke resistance. It may go further. Yeah. Looks like you did the same thing I did this morning. We both took profits way too soon. Should have left my stop negative a little longer. Yeah, for real. The video in the background. That's actually the guys, Max Options traders. They're actually in Discord. All right, let's cancel this. Hit this. Is StreamerBot working? Haven't even checked. Let's give it the old fart. Make sure. Whoa, look at that dump. Son of a bee. It's, 37 points. Instantly. Alright, well, with that said, let's play marbles. Let's get it. $145 cash money USD on the line. Let's get it. Around 10:30, 10:45, we'll be doing a giveaway for a Tradeify 50K straight to funded Lightning funded accounts. So if you would like to participate, all you gotta do is be here and be a member. The straight to funded The Lightning funded accounts, they are for members only. Same with the growth accounts when we give those away, which I think I'll be giving away one of those next week instead of the Lightning Fund. I think this may be the last Lightning funded account I have. I have to look for this month. Cody out to a big lead now. We'll start streaming a little bit longer starting next Monday. Kids will be in school. Also, I think we're going to be streaming, co-streaming with Methodical Man on Monday. Not positive on that, but I think we are. Like, he won't be on the stream. Like, he'll be doing his own stream. But we were going to just have each other on a Discord call so that we can kind of talk together. Kind of co-stream, but have our own stream going at the same time. You know what I mean? Let me go stop in on him real quick. Is he live now? I don't see him live now. No, I wouldn't say. Oh, he is. Okay, here he is. I wouldn't say that, Z, but
Opportunity here, but it's not.
he is still one of the more real guys, you know? That's all there is to it.
Certainly not fantastic, but theoretically it should work.
Say good morning while we let these marbles roll. Chart is headed back towards the highs after that dump. Oh, no. Oh, you're going to get two there. Lasers had other ideas.
All right, I'm in.
These lasers are not being friendly. Wow. Not a single one through. Not a single one. Come on, Karen. Come on, Karen. Show us how it's done. Not even
I want to
close.
see this thing just
Crazy.
push, just blast right back above that high there and go. Stop to break even will be at the high, by the way.
All right, we're through the highs on the chart, watching it. I'd want to see a big push up through 350 myself. It's kind of struggling right through the highs here.
All right,
Yeah.
took my 5 points there. I think it hits it. I think it does go, but there's no way I was going to let that come back on me after being up 10 points, basically. All right, up $100. What up, VOLA? What up? So all green on the day there, guys. All green on the day. I mean, not huge, right? Not huge. Be ready for pre-piles and shenanigans.
Yeah, we got 9 minutes
check it
until
out.
PAL.
So here we go. This is the P&Ls. You see, we got $200 over here. So we didn't quite get the base hit amount, but close enough. Bulanox, 227. My Fund of Futures,
Charts pulling
100
back
bucks.
again.
There you go. So yeah. Up 85 of micros, building the green today. Let's go. That's going to be it for me on the trading, guys, this morning. We are leaving here in about 9 minutes to, we got to go over to My Fund of Futures TV. So when I'm green, even small on Fridays, I'm skeptical on keep trading. Yeah, I'm not trading anything else. Nada. I have no idea trader on tilt. He's speaking at 10. It's the only thing I know. And, you know, we just lock it down.
All right, Donovan.
Vola,
Show
you
us
take
how
any
it's
trades
done.
this morning? Let me pull you up.
He's going to see some marbles.
Nailed the bottom. Didn't hold it. Dang. So that bottom touched the bands, I'm assuming. Touch the bands.
Touched them, baby.
Yeah, I liked the long. I wasn't going to just naked buy the open, but we closed the gap right at open. We closed the gap, right? And then the recovery I usually like for a long. And I was not paying attention and I missed the entry here. Nice clean long. I mean, really nice. I think 369 is kind of where we're headed. So,
Come on, Jason.
Yeah. But 3 trades today, 3 for 3.
There's special
3 for
Jackson
3.
hole.
Close the copier.
Come
just
on,
leave one
baby.
cheap
First
eval
chance.
open. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh,
I am actually going to pick up
Emmy.
another eval.
Yes.
For
yes. Where'd you sneak in
trading
from,
on,
Emmy?
The
You can sneak into my room
My Fun
anytime.
Futures TV. If you guys are unaware, we are going to be on My Fun Futures TV this morning from 10:30 to 11:30. Join us over there for a little trolling or whatever you want to do. Jump in there and troll me if you want.
Come on, Emmy. Let's do it. I don't know
Troll
where your
me
name
if you
tag went.
want.
There it is.
I don't mind a little troll action.
I thought you were toast. Come on. Come on. Oh, it might line up.
A
No.
little troll action.
Gah! We're getting. This is gonna happen.
10:30
This is
a.m.,
gonna happen.
But
It's
I'll
gotta
be ending
happen.
the stream here in about 7 minutes. Here, I'll get you guys the link. I'll get you guys the link.
So frustrating. All right, back to the charts. We'll restart it.
Let's get the link.
Waffles!
They may, obviously
What's
they
going on,
always do
man?
giveaways on there.
Exclamation
Anything-
point marbles.
I don't know anything
Get 'em
beyond
in.
that, what they're doing today. But
You got 10 minutes.
they always kind of have giveaways. We'll be doing I'm going to be attempting a 12-hour stream next week. Probably going to be Monday. Vola, so I didn't get back to you on DM, but Monday probably will work. I'm probably going to be doing a 12-hour stream Monday, starting at 3 a.m., ending at 3 p.m. Or maybe like 2:45 to 2:45. Wait, and then there'll be a couple of little breaks in there. And then Tuesday, tentatively, Tuesday we will be
Rocking
doing.
on a Tuesday.
Well, that's what I was just. Oh, Barbie's. Well, Bull Barbie's on My Fun Futures TV every day. But Tuesday, tentatively, I will be doing a joint stream with Bull Barbie as well. So that'll be a thing.
Yeah, I've thought about it. It's a lot
That's
of
not
work.
really confirmed yet. And then one day the following week,
Nutty
we
stole my
will,
24-hour stream idea.
we'll be back on.
I
My
swear,
Fun
man,
Futures
these
TV.
guys.
Yeah, Clarity.
so
I saw Nutty
original.
say that. Good luck to him. That's all I'm gonna say. Good luck on a 24-hour stream because, like, I'm telling you guys, on a 12-hour stream is very challenging for a 12-hour stream. 24-hour stream, man, that is going to be insane if he's able to pull that off. Good luck. I don't doubt Nutty. I mean, I think he'll probably. I was talking, talking about it earlier, and I think he'll probably take some sort of. He'll probably sleep that day, and then that should give him a little bit of extra oomph. So. Yeah, Vala, get that 24-hour stream. Load up on coke. Yeah, the 12-hour stream, I mean, like, it's doable, but I'm still very tired at it. And he's starting his at, I think, the worst time. I don't think it's smart to start it at 6 p.m., but I guess it's not that bad. Your first 6 hours, 6 to midnight, should be okay. But that midnight to
I don't
3
know if I want to
be
do
very
that
tough.
many.
And then once you kind of hit 3 to 4, 3 to 5
what do you
ish
wanna
is
put in there?
fine, and then 5 to 8 very, very slow. Those are going to be the very tough times. When the fam goes on vacation next summer, let's go. Yeah, I don't know that I could do a 24-hour stream. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Not without some sort of some sort of nap or something involved. I got to have something involved there. Now, I don't know if he's going to take like a couple of hour breaks. That might be what he does. Maybe he takes like an hour nap, hour and a half nap here or there. That might make sense. So I'm sure he's thought it out, planned it out in his head, and you know, good luck to him. I mean, it's a tough thing to do.
Oh, like a W.
So
Got it.
look at this thing pull back here. Might get a confirmation
not doing it
long
right
out of
now.
this. But we do have Powell
will.
speaking at 10, guys. This is kind of that pre-Powell shenanigans that one of you guys was talking about earlier. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Remember, guys, in order for us to do Take Profit Trader giveaways, we do need
really
5
want to
sales
get
per
in
day.
right
I
now,
want to be able to get the
but
giveaways
at the
done
same
by next
time,
Thursday.
this
I do not
is
know that
so
I'll be here on
close.
Friday.
2 minutes until Pal starts talking.
I
don't
do
know
think
if
I will
wanna-
also be on the futures desk
know
at
if I
some
wanna
point
chance
next
it.
week. I think it might be Thursday. I'm not even sure. They asked me to come on, but they didn't send me a confirmation or anything, so wait for them to send that to me. But right now we need 24 more sales. 24 in order to do the three 150K giveaways. 24 more sales, and I'll give away the 350K accounts. I will do another giveaways, and I'll give away the 300 once I get back on stream. Time alone to do a 20. Yeah, exactly. You didn't know he was talking at 10. He is.
All right, here we go. We got 1 minute.
So Powell's at 10.
I'm staying
Trump
out of
is
this.
at noon. So that's what I was telling you guys. If you didn't get your profit
Well,
in
Jason,
already,
when's the last time
it
we had a
might be best
Jackson
to
Hole
just go
talk
touch grass
with
until
Powell?
the afternoon.
Doesn't Powell like never go there?
And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I don't think there's anything wrong with that at all. Nothing at all wrong with that.
All right, I'm gonna
because it's
close
gonna
up
be
methodical. I'm gonna bring back the other
tough.
guys for this move.
Jerome Powell.
See what
It's
happens.
Jay Powell. Fucking
He's gone every year.
I'm
Okay,
gonna
well,
jump
I
in-
don't pay too
I'm
much
gonna jump
attention
in
to
with
that.
two micros.
So,
I'm gonna jump in with
my
two
bad.
micros.
oh, he's gambling.
I'm in 2 micros short.
Oh, he gambling.
I told you I like to short. You faded me, asshole. No, you faded me.
Wasn't he saying he liked the long? I guess that was at the open though. I was expecting something a little better for the final Tradeify sale. First two were
Where's my
nice.
students
Thought
at?
for
I'm
sure
gonna do a
you had
recap
growth
for you
accounts for
guys.
like
That was
70.
such an
I mean,
easy
40%
hit.
off
That
is
was
pretty
literally
good
the easiest
for.
hit, guys.
I think I wish it was for all the accounts, but oh, his shorts are not getting paid. Whoa, what'd he say? I guess I should have him up somewhere, huh?
Oh my god.
He said, "Oh my god, oh my god."
Oh my god, dude.
Watch it, it'll come all the way
I'm
back.
gonna DCA, dude. I'm gonna DCA. I DCA'd.
He DCA'd. Ugh.
I DCA'd, dude. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous.
Risks may warrant adjusting policy. That's going to get
Oh,
Wall
I should've
Street's
never
attention
DCA'd.
because
I
it's
should've never
opening the
DCA'd.
door
Hold on, let me do my
to
recap for the
a
students.
rate cut. Here's the key sentence. With policy in restrictive territory, the baseline outlook and the shifting balance of risks may
Wow,
warrant
look at this
adjusting
move.
our policy stance. The Fed is also announcing its new framework, which is pretty much as we were just talking about with Pat Harker, dropping the reference to the effective lower bound, eliminating the inflation makeup strategy, committing to contain inflation expectations and concern about labor market shortfalls.
Order filled.
Key here
This is a micro.
there
Was a
are
ripper. All
downside
right,
risks to
students.
employment. The Fed chairman says the
Students,
inflation
recap has
outlook
been
is that it
posted.
will rise, but perhaps at a slower pace. So right now we are looking
The
at
max-
Fed
the max
that
indicator
has the
of
door
the max
open
Order
for the
filled.
September
Best in the game.
17th cut.
2
And I
micros.
guess, Lisa, we're probably going to see the long
the max
end
indicator.
and the short end reacting here.
Well, let's pull that up right now. You do see an absolute catering in yield on the heels of this opening
about
of
it.
the potential for
That was a
rate cuts
candle.
coming out. The
Holy
downside
shit.
risks to
460.
employment are rising. What you
That was a
can see
100-point
also
candle.
rising. The S&P 500 now up 1.3%. Yields down 8 basis points on the long end for the 10-year, even more for the 2-year.
Oh, come on. You got to give that to me.
The 10-year real yield comes in
Where
6
that
basis
goes.
points. That is substantial. It's still within the range, but at 1.86%, it's a real
Yeah, to the moon,
reversal
apparently.
towards
To
a
the moon.
presumption definition of Fed accommodation?
Yeah, and this comes at a time
Ah.
when there is this question.
I wanted
about
at least that
how they're
first one.
going to
Here, guys,
message this, given
students,
that inflation
easiest
has
fucking
remained
max way
above that
trade,
2%
top.
target since
Hit that absolute
2021.
baggie for you
Mike,
guys.
do we hear anything about why this is a Fed
Posted for
willing
all the
to look
students.
through that kind of inflation?
They do
All right, I think it's
anticipate
time to
that
just get
tariffs are
out.
going to add to inflation,
This
and
is
they
holding
think it
up
will
way
take
too
place
good, of
over
course.
time, but they're still looking, at least as Chairman Powell puts it, they're still looking at these as one-time price adjustments within each sector. So it's likely that inflation is going to
You gotta
go
be
up,
super
but then they think
careful
it
here.
Stabilizes and might go down again.
This thing's just
Well, right
going. It's
now,
up
let's take a
300.
listen to Jay Powell, chair of the Federal Reserve.
In my
Oh,
remarks
now he's
today, I
talking.
will first address the current economic situation and the near-term outlook for monetary policy. I will then turn to the results of our second public review of our monetary policy framework as captured in the revised statement on longer-run goals and monetary
Let me get
policy
out.
strategy that we
Demo
released
account, yeah.
today.
If you guys took that long with the llama,
When I
you
appeared at this
absolutely
podium
all
1 year ago,
past
the
funded
economy
net.
was at an
You should
inflection
Let me out.
Our policy
Out
rate had stood at
TPTs,
5.25
you
to
could have maxed out
5.5% for more than a
trade-afies,
year.
you basically
That
Now,
restrictive policy
you should've
stance
maxed out
was
everything.
appropriate to help bring down
Bro, the two
inflation
micros got
and to
collapsed
foster a
for like
sustainable balance
400.
between aggregate demand and
with
supply.
little fucking- that's crazy.
Inflation had
Fund the
moved
future
much
family,
closer to
fund the
our
future
objective,
family
and the
when they
labor market
pass.
had cooled
You
from
guys
its
got smacked
formerly
for there.
overheated state. Upside risks to inflation had diminished.
Now,
God,
the
no
unemployment rate
pullback.
had
This is
increased
crazy.
by almost a full percentage point,
one little
a
short to the
development that
NVG
historically
below.
has not occurred outside of recessions. Over the
Where'd it
subsequent
go to?
3 Federal Open
Once
Market Committee
FTX
meetings, we recalibrated our policy
Bro, as
stance,
soon as
setting the
FTX
stage for the
hits
labor
Any
market to
kind of a
remain
red
in
candle
balance
here?
near maximum
Question
employment
mark?
over the past year.
Jeez.
This year, the economy has faced new challenges.
As soon as
Significantly
FTX
higher
makes
tariffs
one new
across our
low,
trading partners are remaking the global trading system. Tighter immigration policy has led to an abrupt slowdown in labor force growth. Over the longer run, changes in tax, spending, and regulatory policies may also have important implications for economic growth and productivity. There is significant
Come on,
uncertainty
pal.
about where
Oh,
all
money,
of
you're
these policies
bugging.
will eventually settle.
Just
and
say
what their
one thing
lasting
real
effects
quick.
on the economy
Bananas.
will be. Changes in
Right,
trade and
buddy.
immigration
Code of
policies
fucking
are
God,
affecting
smoke.
both
Bro,
demand
you
and
straight
supply.
Come on.
gambling, man.
In
Come on.
this environment, distinguishing cyclical developments from trend or structural
Not
developments
anything
is
big
difficult.
here, but
This
Right.
distinction is
Still would like
critical
to see it
because
work out.
monetary policy can work to stabilize cyclical fluctuations, but can do
Yeah,
little
you
to
don't care about
alter
that.
structural changes. The
Come
labor
on.
market is a case in point. The July employment report, released earlier this month, showed that payroll job growth
Nice
slowed
to
to
be
an
rich as
average
fuck.
pace of
Watch
only
this MVG
35,000 per month over the past
Order
year,
filled.
down
Watch
from
this MVG,
168,000 per month during
Watch this
2024.
MVG below.
This
Took
slowdown
one
is
off
much
at a
larger
loss,
than assessed
actually.
just a month ago, as the earlier figures for May and June were revised down substantially. But it does not
I was
appear
hoping it
that the
would come
slowdown in job
grab
growth
us,
has
but
opened up a large
I wasn't going to
margin
let
of
it
slack
go back
in
up
the
with
labor
both
market,
again.
an
MVG
outcome we
below.
want to avoid. The unemployment
could be
rate, while
the-
edging
this
up in
could be the
July,
spot
stands at
where
a
it-
historically low level of 4.2% and has been broadly
As
stable
long as it
over the
doesn't make a
past
newer
year.
high.
Other indicators of labor market conditions are also
And Q
little
just got
changed
so
or have softened
bullish.
only
That was
modestly,
crazy.
including
That was
quits,
actually crazy.
layoffs, the ratio of vacancies to unemployment, and nominal wage growth. Labor supply has softened in line with demand, sharply lowering the break-even rate of job creation.
We were so
needed to
close to
hold the
like
unemployment rate
$100 there
Indeed,
with
labor
2
force growth has
micros,
slowed considerably
like
this
it was
year with the
nothing,
sharp
and then it
fall
just
in
didn't fill us.
immigration, and the labor force
Absolutely ducked down to
participation rate has
That would
edged
be
down
the-
in
that's
recent
the
months.
No, I'm just trying to get out. I could have got out there,
The
but
labor market appears to be
if I would have put
balanced,
my
it
orders
is a
out, but I wanted to
curious
give it a chance to
counterbalance that
like
results from a marked
really die.
slowing in both the supply of and demand for
Fortunately,
workers.
that didn't happen.
This unusual
is
situation
Lulu
suggests that
ripping? Hold up.
downside risks to employment
What's
are
Lulu
rising.
at?
And if those risks materialize, they
What's
can do
Lululemon
so
at? Did it
quickly
rip?
in the form of sharply higher layoffs and rising unemployment. At the same time, GDP growth has slowed notably in the first half of this year to a pace of 1.2%,
12,500.
roughly half the 2.5% pace in
Should I fucking trim one
2024.
pawn?
The decline in growth has largely reflected a slowdown in consumer spending. As with the labor market, some of the slowing in GDP
Did we roll for the
likely
account? Not
reflects
yet.
slower growth
That's
in
later.
supply or potential
10,
output.
10:30, 10:45.
Turning to inflation, higher tariffs have begun to push up prices.
Well, yeah,
in
that's the
some
thing. Looking at the
categories like
daily, we
goods.
have all kind of
Estimates
upside to
based
this.
on the
That's why
latest
I'm being
available
careful with
data
it.
indicate that total PCE prices rose 2.6% over the 12 months ending in July.
See if we can just get
Excluding
a
volatile
50
food and energy
retest here.
Categories, core PCE prices rose.
That'll get us out
2.9%
a little
above
green
their
on the
level a year
trade.
ago. Within core, prices of goods increased 1.1% over the
We were
past
at like
12
what
months,
150
a notable
something
shift from the modest
before we got in the
decline
trade,
seen over
so
the
that
course
would
of
be like if we got out right
2024.
now, be about break even. See if we can't make a little off of it.
Services inflation remains
50
on a
bucks or
downward
so.
trend, and non-housing services inflation is still running at a level a bit
It just
above
can't break
what
this
has been
480 area.
historically consistent
Just keeps
with
bouncing.
2% inflation.
If it gets through there, it should
The effects
hopefully
of
give us a
tariffs
nice
on
little push
consumer
down.
prices are now clearly visible. We
bug.
expect those effects to accumulate over coming months.
It just doesn't
with
want to
high
do it.
uncertainty about both timing and amounts. The question that matters for monetary policy is whether these price increases are likely
I'm
to
not letting this
materially
go
raise the
higher.
risk of an
I will not
ongoing
be,
inflation problem.
I'll be cutting
A
this at the
reasonable base
high.
case is that the effects will be relatively short-lived, a one-time shift in the price level. Of course, one time does not mean all at once. It will continue to take time for tariff increases to work their way through supply chains and distribution networks. Moreover, tariff rates continue to evolve, potentially prolonging the adjustment process. It's also possible, however, that the upward pressure on prices from tariffs could spur a more lasting inflation dynamic.
What happened?
And that is a risk to be assessed.
Oh, come on. Are you serious?
One possibility is that workers who see their real incomes decline.
What the heck is that?
prices
It literally...
demand and get higher wages from employers, setting off adverse wage
Well, I'm
price
glad I'm only
dynamics.
in one micro.
Given that the labor market is not particularly tight and faces increasing
What is
downside
that?
risks, that outcome does not seem likely. Another possibility is that inflation expectations could move up, dragging actual inflation with them. Inflation has been above our target for more than 4 years and remains a prominent concern for households and businesses.
Order filled.
Measures of longer-term inflation expectations, however, as reflected in market and survey-based measures, appear to remain well anchored and consistent with our longer-run inflation objective of 2%. Of course, we
Stop
take
filled.
the stability of inflation expectations for granted. Come what may, we will not allow a one-time increase in the price level to become an ongoing inflation problem. So, putting the pieces together, what are the implications for monetary policy? In the near term, risks to inflation are tilted to the upside and risks to employment to the downside. A
Order
challenging
filled.
situation. When our goals are in tension like this, our framework calls for us to balance both sides of our dual mandate. Our policy rate is now 100 basis points closer to neutral than it was a year ago. And the
Order
stability
filled.
of the employment rate and other labor market measures allows us to proceed carefully as we consider changes to our policy stance. Nonetheless, with policy in restrictive territory, the baseline outlook and the
All right,
shifting
cutting at the
policy
highs
risks
here.
may warrant
Or getting out right
adjusting
here on
our
the
policy
retest.
stance.
I know that's right. 1,000+ ticks
Monetary
on
policy is
FaceTime with
not
my friend.
on a preset course. FOMC members will make these decisions based solely on their assessment of the data and its implications for the economic outlook.
This is
And
crazy.
the balance of risks. We will never.
This is why we shouldn't mess with it. So frustrating. It had so many chances to get out too, and then it did that pause crap. Did you see? That was so gay. I was ready to hit the button and then it just froze.
Of our mandate from Congress to foster maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. We remain fully committed to fulfilling our statutory mandate, and the revisions to
This
our
is an
framework
extra
will-
contract.
will support that mission across a broad range of economic conditions.
What's YN
Our
stand for?
revised statement on longer-run goals and monetary policy strategy, which we refer to as
Are
our
you
consensus statement
serious?
to save time,
What is this?
describes how we pursue our dual mandate goals. It is designed to give the public a clear sense of how we think about monetary policy, and that understanding is important both for transparency and accountability, and
Like,
for
come
making
on,
monetary
really?
policy more effective. The changes we made in this review are a natural progression, grounded in our ever-evolving
What a
understanding of our
joke.
We continue to build upon the initial consensus statement adopted in 2012 under Chairman Ben Bernanke's leadership. Today's revised statement is the outcome of the second public review of our framework, which we conduct at 5
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably hop in the short.
This year's review included 3 elements: Fed listens events at reserve banks around the country, a flagship research conference, and policymaker discussions and deliberations.
Go for the bigger move back down.
By staff analysis.
Should have just took it off, apparently.
FOMC meetings. In approaching this year's review,
I thought we might get the bigger move down there.
That our framework is suitable across a broad range of economic conditions. At the same time, the framework needs to evolve with changes in the structure of the economy and our understanding.
At least we're back green on the day, no matter what. I think
The Great Depression
it'll be pretty close.
from those of the Great Inflation and the Great Moderation, which in turn are different from the ones we face today.
Popping back into a range.
At the time of the last review, we were living in a new normal, characterized by the proximity.
If we can start moving down here, I might just get rid of this and just look for just put a trailing stop in.
And a very
But we
flat
gotta
Phillips curve,
try to start moving down first.
meaning that inflation was not very responsive to slack in the economy. To me, a statistic that captures that era is that our policy rate was stuck at the ELB for 7 long years following the onset of the global financial crisis in late 2008. Many here will recall the sluggish growth and painfully slow recovery of that era. It appeared highly likely that if the economy experienced even a mild downturn, our policy rate would be back at the ELB very quickly, probably for another extended period.
Trying to let it work.
And inflation expectations could then decline in a weak economy, raising real interest rates.
Nice little rejection there. See if we can actually move down. If we can move lower back into this other range based off that rejection there, I feel pretty confident we can get the bigger move down.
And inflation expectations, triggering an adverse dynamic. The economic conditions that brought the policy rate to the ELB and drove the 2020 framework changes.
But a lot of times you'll see this where they'll work it higher 1 or 2 more times and then let it fall over.
They might well have done so, if not for the pandemic.
Yeah.
The 2020 consensus statement included several features that addressed the ELB-related risks that had become increasingly prominent.
Right to it, man. Damn.
We emphasized the importance of anchored inflation, longer-term inflation expectations, to support both our price stability and maximum employment goals. Drawing on an extensive literature on strategies to mitigate risks associated with the ELB, we adopted...
So frustrating because you know they're going to do it, right? You know if they run this higher, it depends on how much higher, but eventually they're going to roll this over.
The ELB constraint.
It's never the first or second time. It's always like the third, fourth, second, third, fourth time.
Stop filled.
Yeah, frustrating. Back to break even on the day.
In the event, rather than low,
just gonna act like I haven't been in a trade yet. We're not gonna try to get this. If it gives us a big push, we can look for a re-entry. But
most other central banks and private sector analysts,
thankfully, we were smart enough to at least go down the micros on that.
We thought that inflation would subside fairly quickly without a sharp tightening in our policy stance, as this slide will show. When it became clear this was not the case, we responded forcefully, raising our policy rate by 5.25 percentage points over.
So we can get a big push up towards like 650.
That action, combined with the unwinding of pandemic supply disruptions, contributed to
What's
inflation
up, Jen?
moving much closer to our target without the painful rise in unemployment that has accompanied previous efforts to counter high inflation. This year's review considered how economic conditions have evolved over the past 5 years. During this period, we saw that the inflation situation can change rapidly in the face of large shocks. In addition, interest rates are now substantially higher than was the case during the era between the global financial crisis and the pandemic. With inflation above
Let's see a big candle.
Our policy rate is restrictive, modestly so in my view. We cannot say for certain where rates will settle out over the longer run, but their neutral rate may now be higher than during the 2010s, reflecting...
How can anybody be actually like buying up here? Like what is buying? What kind of algos are buying up here right now? Is it just shorts stopping out? Like what's going on here?
We discussed how the 2020 statement's focus on the ELB may have complicated communications about our response to high inflation. We concluded
What
that the
a
emphasis
what
on
a
overly specific
boner.
set of
What a
economic
boner.
conditions may have led to some confusion, and as a result, we made several important changes to the consensus statement to reflect that insight. First, we removed language indicating that the ELB was a defining feature of the economic landscape. Instead, we noted that our monetary policy strategy is designed to promote maximum employment and stable prices across a broad range of economic conditions. The difficulty of operating near the ELB remains a potential concern, but it is not our primary focus. The revised statement reiterates that the committee is prepared to use its full range of tools to achieve its maximum employment and price stability goals, particularly if the federal funds rate is constrained by the ELB.
I just can't listen to him. It's so hard. I don't know how people do it. Buy now, 23. Like, people are just looking macro. That's crazy. All right. Let's get marbles rolling. Gotta add Wawa and Jen. Yeah, I guess you're right, Jason. It's just crazy because, like, when you're actually sitting here day trading on a 1 minute chart, it's like, it makes no sense to be buying this, but I guess they don't care, right? They immediately figure, okay, here's a price that this is the price we think it's going to. If we can get in under that price, let's get it, right? So I guess that makes sense. 59. Let's get it. Raul, lead the way. I was looking at the chart. I guarantee you this pulls back to like 23,400. It's just a matter of when. Do you think it's best to maximize the move for prop accounts, like not limiting yourself to 1K profits per day? I mean, if the prop firm allows it, then yeah, go for it. Donald, I need my internet to go out. Yeah, 23.4 would be about half the move, and you're still above where we started before the move. So I would agree we'd still be bullish. That was a big move, guys. I mean, that was no joke. 260s up to 660s, basically. That was a give it the round. So 400 points. That was no joke. That's why I saw how big the move was, so I switched to micros because I wasn't about to mess around with minis on a move like that. I'm up over 1,000. If internet goes out, I can't touch it. I like the thought process. Yeah, look, here's the move back down. Well, an attempt. We're at 550. Like the consistency rule, just like the current position you're in with the 80K account. Well, that's the problem, right? You take the bigger wins, it's harder to get the payouts on those accounts. So yeah, you definitely got to be careful with that. Zipster, what's up? I closed everything out, hitting profit target. Nice. I was short on the upper orb rejection and got out. I just tuned in to see how much it spiked up at 7. Damn. Yeah, it was a big move. Of course, we're getting the pullback now. We're not in. I told you it was. How many times will they try to run it higher before finally giving you the nice pullback. It's whether you can be in it or not when it finally happens. But the problem is, if you keep fighting it too many times before it actually works, you're going to lose to the point where when you finally win, you're only going to make back what you lost in the first place. So at what point does it make sense to just not deal with it, right? Wow, this actually might make it. I thought that was not going to have a shot, but it is. Look at this. The Queen of Price. Go away, lasers. Go away. All right, let's run it back. Wow, it might go straight back to that 400 area. All right, let's get it. I was so confused when I tuned in your stream. Didn't remember the price being there. Yeah, it was a big spike. It's weird, though, because Powell, I don't think, was talking yet. Look at that move back down. That's what we were hoping for. We just couldn't get it. It was, look, real quick, I'll switch to the chart. It was that one more move. Crazy. What's your question? It just started. They're not that long though. It's already a minute in. They usually take like 3.5 minutes.
And unstuck out race.
It's just the algos. That's a good question, right? Well, the people who are members of the channel, they get 2 extra marbles. So that helps.
They have
3 marbles, yeah. Yep, their original marble and then 2 extra.
Gosh.
I don't know. Maybe. Oh, Jen rimmed out. Okay. I don't know. I doubt it's ever going to happen, so when we get there, we'll figure it out. We'll cross that bridge when we get there, as they would say. Sure. I mean, that would be the nice thing to do. Gotta win first. It don't look like anybody winning this one. Waffles! We haven't even had... Oh, we did have one shot at the end. So far. Oh, just snuck in there. Oh!
I'm cheering for you, Waffle.
Come on, Waffles. Gotta hit, gotta hit. It's gonna be close. Oh, yes! It's got a shot. Got a shot. No. No. Well, I don't think I've never seen it. Pancakes, going for it. I know, it takes a second for it to get going. They gotta collect themselves. Well, usually we don't get this far. So people have got to the end here. They avoid all the lasers, but then it either isn't lined up or it hits the pegs. No, the laser came and got him. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get him some food. All right, let me get next marbles rolling. We'll do one more regular one and then we'll do the giveaway. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. I guess I'll join. Wasn't listening earlier. Did you see Cody was back? I did. Jack's here. What's up, Jack? Gotcha, Zip. Well, you never know. Maybe entering it could be the one. Ooh, Marbles, you got 5 minutes left. We're headed back towards the highs here. It would almost be weird if we don't get to the highs at this point. Although the volume is finally starting to die down as well. Keep that in mind too. Take a look at the volume here. It's slowly dying back down. So it's going to be harder to kind of push in one direction now. But the way the chart looks, it'd be weird if it doesn't go try the highs. Does it have to? No. Would it be weird? A little. I mean, is that an attempt at the highs? I mean, some could say it is, I guess. Does it try? Does it try? Struggling right here. Some sellers keep stepping in. Third time's a charm. Sellers keep stepping in here at the 612, 613 area. If it gets through there, might see the push up, but it's struggling. Don, what's up? I think I already have you in there, don't I? Weren't you here earlier? Oh no, that was Donald. You didn't miss anything. We're still doing one more normal race. Oh, there's the pushback down. So now it's starting to look like it's a higher or lower high as of right now. We'll see how these next couple candles play out. Just trying to go right back up. Dang, check this out. The big green candle, wasn't expecting that. It's still gonna run into that same area. See what it does. Oh, went through. Kind of a push do we get? It's kind of a fake out. I feel like if it's gonna go, it's gonna go. I mean, that was a pretty big reversal. Nope. Right back down into that little range it was in. It's so hard to not see it go into the highs here, but no, there it is. There's the rejection. Yeah, days like this are no fun. Because after this big move, like, what are you really expecting? And it's just probably going to range. And it seems like I mean, when you're looking at the bigger picture, it looks like it wants to head back to the highs here, but is it going to? I don't know. The 600's really trying to hold now. I really thought it was going to go to the high on that after that big green candle, but it absolutely rejected right after, so. What do I know? I know nothing. It's trying to curl its way back up again. Wow. Does it go? It's trying. I just want to see it hit it and have a big push up towards 700. That's kind of what I'm waiting on here. Just trying. You would think if it gets to the highs here, we're going to at least go test 50s. The question is, what does it do when it gets there? Does it just run into it and this is a liquidity sweep? Or are we actually going to push through and extend again? I mean, we're definitely going to test the highs here, right? How do we not? This is a question of what it does when we get there. It's got to at least poke it. Poke the bear. What's on the other side, right? That's what they got to try to figure it out. What's on the other side there? Got a bunch of sell orders sitting. Got a bunch of stops sitting. What's there? What do we got? Are we really going to double top there? That'd be hard to believe. After that slow grind back up, it'd be hard to believe we're just going to double top. Poke through. What's there? It wants to poke it. It wants to poke it. It's just not. Wow. Very surprised. Is it really going to pull back before going through again after being that close? That's crazy. There it goes. Oh, it still didn't get there. There it is. All right, to 50. To 50 question mark? No, it's just gonna fake out. Wow. Didn't even get to 50. A lot of sell orders were sitting there. Wow. I was expecting a run up to 50 at least. It's crazy. I mean, I guess 44 is kind of like 50 when you're really looking at how big these candles are. But I was expecting like a 50 run, like to see what happens like through 50. Then try it again. That's kind of been the motto of this move, just slow grind. Somebody said it in the chat, slow grind. Yep, Jack said it. Obviously, when it poked back up through there, I was hoping for a much bigger move. I was looking for the big move up through 650, up towards 700, but we didn't even make it to 650, which is concerning. Could be part of the volume just dying down too. Talent Zakudu, thank you for the sub. Well, could get a much bigger pullback here. It is possible. All right. It could just be a liquidity grab.
Order filled.
No, thank you. No, thank you on the order filled. Need a much bigger move than this. Think we're due for a small pullback? It does seem that way. I think we already had the small pullback right here, though. Which wasn't even really a pullback, which is crazy when you think about it. Oh. Popping back up there. I'd be real surprised if we don't go test 650. Before a pullback of some sort. I have two different NQ charts up. Oh, this is micros, that's why. I guess I could switch back from micros now. I feel like the volume's died down enough to where we're not going to get that crazy. This is kind of a big candle, believe it or not. I mean, if you're looking into the micro move here, it tried to move down, it tried to come back up. If this finishes down, the odds are it's going to try to continue down. If this goes back up, it's going to look at this as support and try to go back up, right? So this is kind of a big candle here. Oh, there it is. All right, let's play some marbles. Oh, I didn't have it ready yet. Oh, yeah, I got it ready. I just got to hit this. 70. All right. There's only 24 of you in here, but, you know, we'll run with it. Yeah, big opening initial balance today. Rare to extend past a big IB like that. Oh. When you got pal speaking, anything can happen. All right, we'll run this twice and then we'll do the giveaway. Let's get it. Reminder, the Lightning funded 50K account that's worth over $300 cash money. You have to be a member of the channel in order to participate. The join button right below me is how you make that happen. Completely up to you. These races are free. I give away cash money I try to give away cash money every single day that we're live. So you can be here for that. And we run these all day, every day. Not all day, obviously, but so if you win this, you win cash money. Every Friday, we give away accounts. They range from growth accounts, funded account, just straight to funded accounts, a little bit of everything. And sometimes during the week, I'll give away like some advanced accounts, etc. So always stay tuned for that as well. Actually, probably Monday, since we'll be co-streaming, I think, with Methodical, we'll probably give away a couple accounts during that as well. Might even be co-streaming with Bull Barbie at some point next week, or maybe just in the near future as well. But yeah, I always like to do giveaways for special occasions, but every Friday at least I do some giveaways. So always be here on Fridays, and you might get lucky. You might get lucky. And somebody always does. So this is a death track, so it's real hard to win. But the actual account giveaways, I don't do these tracks. I do tracks where someone will win. So if you'd like to participate in that and make your name green in the chat, or right below me is that join button. It's $10, but $10 can win you a $300 account. Getting a bounce back up here. That was a nice bounce back up into that same range. Might me? Is that supposed to be like fight me, but it's might me? Trap God? Ooh, that's not far right enough. Zipster, welcome. Welcome. Zipster getting the membership. It's going to get him into the race here after these two are done. Liquidity Saint. Oh, man, everyone's got the front spin. I see my brother in the mix. What's up, Justin? Hey, man. It's a $300 account for $10. It's not a bad deal. And there's not that many Oh, I thought that was going to stay up. There's not that many members, so your odds of winning are pretty high. All right, let's run this back. This one did not go so well. Let's say goodbye to Fast Trader. Chart headed back to the highs. It gave us a little fake out to the downside, actually, and now we're headed back to the highs. That actually kind of gives me hope that we might get a bigger move up through the highs if we get there. Because now there might be some clear stops there from the shorts. Karen lagging a little bit. It's more fun to just listen while you work. I mean, it's true. That's why I try not to be too loud per se. I know a lot of the people here are here just for company, you know? I am too. So if I can provide that, then doing something right. And if I can give back to you guys for you guys supporting me in the channel using code VOLA when you sign up for your props, the least I can do is give as much back as I can, and I do. Every account they give me, I give to you guys. I swear might me has to be like a play on words for fight me. I entertain you while you're working. Makes it fun with the commentary. Hey, I appreciate you. Appreciate the kind words. Kind of pulling back on the chart again. Little rejection, almost like a weird head and shoulders type thing maybe forming here. Might me, that is not the way, kind sir. That is not the way. Son of Gods looks more online. Got to slow it down. Should be good. All right, now we got to avoid some lasers. Ugh. Jen. Oh, oh. It looked like it might avoid for a second, but it did not. Oh, fast trader. Makes his way through those lasers fast. Hit it. Get in there. Yes. That's how you're supposed to do it. Legit. Fast is in. We'll watch this way. See if we get another one that gets through the bridge. Nish is through. Come on, Nish. Oh, hit it. No. Dang it. That was close. All right, this is going to be, it's looking like our last chance. Fast Trader's going to go for it here. And then we're going to do the giveaway. No, laser, go away. Go away, laser. This is crazy. Dang it, man. All right. Let's get the members in here. Let's cancel that one. Members! Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 10 minutes. This is for a 50K Tradeify Lightning funded account, aka straight to funded. I don't know why they changed the name to that. I like straight to funded. It's straight to funded. You know it's straight to funded. But I mean, I guess, you know, branding type stuff. But all right, members only. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. Let's do it. What is this chart doing? It is just going sideways. Nothing for us to see here. It actually looks like it wants to try to go lower. This thing can't make up its mind. Looks like it's just going to go sideways for a bit. All right, looks like we might be trying the highs again. This time, this is what I said. The fact that we kind of built up here gives me some hope we might actually get a nice big push up through here. Stupid verifying it's you, man. Get nerves. Nerves. Oh, it didn't even pop up this time. Come on, chart. Do it. I need to make more than $11 today, please. Excuse me. Oh, yeah. I actually learned something from Methodical Man today. I wanted to go check that out. All right, let's see what happens if we get there. I was hoping to get another good trade today to finish up on eval. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. I know. The only chance I have here is if we get a nice big blast through 650. All right, members, you got 5 minutes. I got Josh, Donald, Donovan, Jen, Jack, Emmy, Don, Wawa, Zipster, Jason, and Karen. Get them in if you haven't yet. You know who I didn't say was Cody, and Cody was here earlier too. I think Cody's the only one that's still on. I'll have to, you know what? I'm going to have to redo them anyway, so I'll just clear it. I want to watch this chart real quick, though. Don't want that. Get out of there. Get out of there. All right, let me check this thing that I learned from Nautical real quick. I don't see. He found a way to check the progress of. Maybe it's under rewards. I have 900 points. You get 1 point for each dollar spent. Thankfully, I've taken out more from them than I've put in, so that's good. We're getting close to payout there as well. Speaking of which, we're getting pretty close here on this account. 22.6%. We're getting down there. 73. Oh, you can't see that. Pull it over. 73 days. That's crazy. Obviously, these two we got some work to do, but been mainly concentrating on this one. That was not what I was expecting at 650. Or well, I can't say it's not what I was expecting. It's not what I was hoping for. I was hoping for a nice big push up through. Yeah, somewhere I'll have to ask him. Maybe it's under affiliates. Transactions. No, I don't know. Let me just ask him. All right. What's mom telling me here? Made a frittata. All right, marbles got 2 minutes and 22 seconds. This is for members only. You got to hit the join button right below me. This is for a Lightning funded account, 50K from Tradeify. It's over a $300 account. You want in, you got to be a member. This is my way of giving back to the people who support my channel. I give away the big old accounts right back to them. I do this every Friday. You want to participate in the cash only giveaways that I do, you are more than welcome. Those happen on every other day doing the death map. What happened to the size of this? Why did that get smaller? Is Lightning the same as the previous straight to funded, just different name? Yes. Yeah, like I said, I don't know why he changed the name, but they did. I'm not a huge fan of the name change. I actually like the idea of, because straight to funded, it's straight to funded, right? You know what it is, but here we are. All right, let me start getting some names in here. Josh was first one in. Then we got Donald. Then we got Donovan. Then we got Jen. Then we got Jack. Then we got Emmy. Emmy won last week, correct? So if Emmy were to win, I think we'd have to run it back. That's my only rule with these races. If you won once this month, you can't win again the same month. It starts back over at the beginning of the next month. Now, if I'm giving away a different kind of account, you can win those. Like if you win a straight to funded account, you can win a growth account, etc. All right, I got it set up. Let's do it. For all the marbles, as they would say. Here we go. We got 11 members in there. You know who you are. I appreciate you supporting me. I hope you win so I can support you back. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Don't get blown up. Let's go. We all know where the action is. It's right there. We're staring at it. Oh, it missed. Oh! Oh! Donald, Jason, Emmy, Wawa, Jack, Karen, Wawa. Wawa's completely out. Josh, Donovan. Wawa, I am sorry, but you are completely out. I think you were the only one that is completely out. Jason out to a big lead now. Going for it. He said, I'm going for it right out the gate. He's going to try to beat the barrels. If I win, can I choose who gets it? Nah, I'd run it back. I don't want to play favoritism. Ooh, Jason going for it. Far ahead are you? You're pretty far ahead. Can you stay in front? Oh, he's finally going backwards. Oh, but he's going forwards again. Jason, I see the end. Jason. Oh, he's just going for it. We're only a minute. Oh, playing with fire there. You don't want to get airborne. Chart's about to get airborne. Back up to 650. No one's caught up yet, but you're still heading the wrong direction. There goes Don. Oh, everyone's going backwards now. Oh, Jason, no. You had such a big lead. Josh now out in front. Mr. Josh Allen himself. I'll tell you what, Josh, if you win, I'm drafting you in the first round. I'm just kidding. I'm not doing that. Last week was rigged. I got stuck. Yeah, that was so weird. And that was the first time we've ever seen that happen. Ooh, Josh and Donovan getting a little kissy poo. Karen, how do you feel about that? Is Karen here? Was she in the race? Did Karen not get back in time? I don't remember if I put her name in there. Oh, David! I don't remember putting Karen's name in there. I don't think she was in there. I don't see her still alive. It's 15. That's a whole week she missed out on. This was her week. She was gonna win. Karen was gonna win. I mean, it didn't show up on the list. I caught here. I'll show it to you. Oh no, it is on there. Wait, did I miss? No, guys. All right, that's on me. We're still gonna give this away, but I think I owe Karen a or wait, did she just die already? It says 11. I put 22 names in. We'll check. Maybe she just died. Maybe her marbles died already. Yeah, no, she's in there. I see it. If for some reason I messed it up, I owe her a growth account. If for some reason she's not in there, well, this race, it looked like it was gonna be a quick one with Jason, and now it is just, it's dead. I'll give, if I didn't have Karen in here, if she's not on the final I'm confused though, because 11. Let me hit refresh just out of curiosity. Yeah, 11. There's 22 people there, so I had to have copied it. I don't remember if I did, though. For some reason, I thought I did Jason last. But maybe I did. We'll see. We'll see at the end. We'll see at the end. If I did, for some reason, not put Karen in, Karen gets a growth account free of charge. If. That's crazy. We literally stopped at 650. And we're not hitting it again. And this race is taking forever. Everyone might get blown off by the time this thing's over. Oh, Jen tried to sneak through. Beryl said, I mean, the end's right there. Emmy might win, then we need redo. That's true. That's true. Who won the first week? Someone else won this month, too, that doesn't get one. Donald sneaking ahead there. I didn't even see you sneak ahead. Oh, Donald! Oh, Donald! You went for it. That was a chain reaction if I've ever seen one. Jack's going for it. Is it too fast? No! Jack! So, oh, there goes Emmy. We just might not finish. This is crazy. We haven't had one like this in a while. We're 6 minutes in. Oh, Don! See ya. This is crazy. Does anyone have 2 left? Jen, of course. Oh, but Josh is going for it. Josh is going for it. Ah! Oh, Jason. Jason's the other one that won, right? Didn't you win like the first week of October or August? We got Jason, Zipster, Don, and 2 Jens. This is crazy. We haven't had one like this in a while. Oh, Jason's gone. Zipster. Fresh new member today, Zipster. Can he pull it off? There's a lot of barrels in the way. Oh! Oh! No! This is crazy. Jen has a 66% chance to win this. What is She's the only marble left. She's the only marble left. But she's got to finish. She's got to finish. This is crazy. We've never had this happen. We've never had this happen before. This is crazy. going backwards. Oh no, the timer's running out. There's a timer. Jen, you have 40 seconds. You're going the wrong way, Jen. I guess we're running this back anyway. Holy crap. Jen, you got 28 seconds. The fire's coming. No! What the heck? What just happened? I didn't even know that map had a like automatic timer. I guess it thought like a marble got stuck or something. All right, let's see if Karen was in there. Karen was in there. She just died early. Wow. All that, and we got to run it back. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right. Karen just died early. So we're good. We're good. Everyone was in there correctly. All right. 3, 2. Karen at this point was wishing she wasn't in there. All right. Let's get it. Wow. That's crazy. I can't. I have no other word to describe it. It was just simply crazy. Oh. No way. Everyone got missed. Oh, there it is. Who gone? Jason, Karen, Wawa, Karen again. Karen, this is not your day for marbles. There goes a Donovan marble. Oh no. That was crazy. I think everyone left after they lost. Did everyone lose after they lost? There's only 7 of you here, but there's 11 members total. That was crazy. Jack, being in last might be a good thing. At least you have a chance. I don't know if it's just YouTube being weird, but yeah, it says there's only 7 people here. That's weird. I guess YouTube's just messing up a little bit. That was crazy. We've never had that happen. That's a first. We've never had someone not win. Someone's always at least won. That was crazy. Well, thank you guys for still being here. I mean, the members, I get it. You still want to win, but what I'm saying is maybe some of the members left after both their marbles got knocked off, kind of thing. You know? I don't know. Just guessing. But it seems like you're all still here. Look at all those barrels. There's no way this is gonna happen again. Could you imagine? I still can't believe that. That was crazy. I have to pee so bad too. Can't leave. Oh, Don! Look at that barrel flying down there. Don's got a little lead here. Donald's coming for him. Going the wrong way. Donald's going the right way. He's going to give you a little pass by. Oh, never mind. Oh, no. Oh, look at those barrels. They're just flying. There's so many of them. 2 in a row. Wawa. Now, I mean, we'll win and we'll have to redo it again. Oh, you'd be killing me. That's crazy. I wasn't planning on being here longer than 11 o'clock, and here we are. Almost 11:30. Speaking of Emmy. Speaking of Emmy. Speaking of Emmy, oh! Just like that, Emmy's chance is cut in half. Jack. Who won the other one this month? I didn't keep track. Who was the other one? Who won the first week? Obviously, I can go back and check. Maybe I'll start doing that while we're sitting here. We are trying to get back to the highs on the chart as well. Jack! Well, I missed it! Jack, winner, winner! Chicken dinner. As long as you weren't the first winner. Let's go. Let me see. Accounts Friday. That was the 15th. Free account Friday, back on the 1st. All right, let's see. Let's go see who it was. Jack, congrats. Oh, that's right. We played marbles after the members race, I think. Or no? Oh yeah, here it is. It was Jason. All the 2-ball. That's crazy, except for Jack's 1-ball. No way. Wawa's gonna finish in the. Oh no, that's crazy. Look at that. They were all 2-balls except for Jack's 1-ball. It was Jason. It was Jason, and then last week it was Emmy. Okay. Jack, congrats. Way to go. Find me in Discord. Shoot me a message. It's all yours. I'm gonna give this a second and let me see if my brother. Actually, no, I gotta go. It's pulling back anyway. Okay. I'm gonna get out of here. Congrats again, Jack. I hope you all had a good week. That was an eventful one. That was eventful. I will see you all Monday morning, bright and early. I appreciate you all as always. Have a good rest of your day. Have a good weekend. And until I see you on Monday, peace.